How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Open your file manager on your device. Now tap Internal Storage under All Storage at bottom left corner of the screen. Now select Android and then tap the option for Media. Tap com.whatsapp and select WhatsApp. Then go to Databases. Now select all these files, and once you have done selecting all these messages, you have to tap the three dots at top right and then tap on Copy to button. Now from this internal storage section, choose on Backup option and you can simply paste this on your section or under this backup section. Now here all your deleted messages on WhatsApp will be recovered. So hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.